Today, I'm going to show you how to make an Italian Limoncello Mascarpone cake. This Limoncello Mascarpone cake has a soft and tender crumb, and it's going to be topped with a creamy mascarpone cream and lemon curd topping. This cake is just irresistible if you love a lemon cake. It has lemon zest, lemon juice, and lots of other goodness mixed inside. So let's dive into it, and you'll get to see everything that goes in, and maybe you'll make along with me as well. So are you ready? Well, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is, in a large mixing bowl, we're going to whisk together the sugar and the lemon zest. So we have 1 1/3 cups of granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon zest. 2, 3. It's roughly the zest of 2 lemons. That's what we've done here. Mix it with a whisk until well combined for about 2 minutes. This helps to release the oils from the lemon zest and get a strong flavor. I love this idea of getting the lemon flavor into the sugar. Usually when we make a cake recipe, it involves creaming the butter into the sugar and the sugar into the butter first. This is going to be my holiday cake. It's certainly one of my favorites, and I do hope it's one of yours as well. It's so easy to make. It has buttermilk, sour cream, and oil, and this beautiful, beautiful bottle of limoncello. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the vanilla extract, the kosher salt, sour cream, vegetable oil, buttermilk, lemon juice, and the limoncello. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Always insist on pure vanilla extract. Never use the imitation stuff in your baking. 1 and 2. And we need a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/3 cup of sour cream. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. We have 3.1 ounces of unsalted butter, which was melted and then cooled. Next, we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 and 3. 1/2 cup of limoncello. 1/3 of thick and creamy buttermilk. 1/3 cup. Mix well until combined. And the next thing we need to do is we're going to add 3 large eggs and mix until combined. La 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 la. Looks pretty well combined to me. How about you? Now we're going to add the flour and baking powder and mix until just combined. I think we'll grab the baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. There's 1. Folks, a little baking tip to keep in mind for the holidays or any time is if your baking powder's been sitting in the cupboard for, 6 months, a year, it's probably time to get some new baking powder because you really want to get that rise in your cakes and your breads. So there's our 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and we have 2.5 cups of flour that we've already measured out. It's about 310 grams. Just like that. And for this part, we're just going to use the spoon and really just mix it until it's just combined. All the flour is moistened. And then we've got our batter. Then we'll pour this beautiful batter into our baking dish, a 9-inch cake pan or baking dish, and we will bake it in our preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. I love baking cakes. It's really one of the easiest things you can do. You mix all your wet ingredients together, mix your dry ingredients together, mix the wet and the dry ingredients together, pour it into a pan and bake it. If you just let yourself relax into your baking, it's really a stress-free kind of thing. You just do it one step at a time. Take your time, measure your ingredients well, follow the instructions. Simple instructions, ABC, 1, 2, 3. And a Limoncello Mascarpone cake is on the way. Here comes our 9-inch baking dish, which I've already added the parchment to. Thank you, Sherry Silver, for the little binder clip trick. Keep the parchment paper in place. There we go. Are you ready to bake this bad boy? Let's get this party started. My handy dandy cheat sheet says 30 to 40 minutes. That means 35 minutes to me. And away we go. I'll see you later. We gotta make the mascarpone cream. So here we have it, out of the oven. It's got a nice bulk to it. It's a very moist cake. Are you ready? Here's the great reveal from the bottom up. It's a lovely light golden brown. And there you have it. That is our Limoncello Mascarpone cake. Set the cake aside for a moment while we make the beautiful creamy mascarpone cream. Handy dandy cheat sheet. Into a big mixing bowl, add the heavy cream, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar and mix with an electric hand mixer until stiff peaks form. Don't overbeat the mixture so you don't create butter. So, in a large bowl, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. 1 1/3 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix with electric hand mixer until stiff peaks. So we want to start on low speed, get some air bubbles into the cream. Then we can kick it up to medium, maybe even high. Add the mascarpone cheese at room temperature and mix it lightly into the whipped cream using a spatula until a creamy mixture forms. Creamy mascarpone cream. What joy! There we have it. We have our limoncello mascarpone cake with creamy mascarpone cream. And we'll let it sit until tomorrow. We're going to chill it overnight, and we're going to add some lemon curd on top. Now that we have our beautiful mascarpone cream, let's lay on the final layer, the lemon curd. Now, I have recipes to make lemon curd, and I have made lemon curd a number of times, and it's delicious. But when I found that Bon Maman had lemon curd on the shelf this holiday season, I just had to try it because all of their products are delicious. Make dollops of lemon curd on top of the mascarpone cream and swirl it with a spatula. Slice and enjoy. And I think that's going to be just about it. It's so pretty. So, are you ready to cut the cake? Let's cut the cake. As usual, when I make something for the very first time, not always sure what's the best way to cut into it. But I think the square shape lends itself to square slices. I have a feeling it's going to be rich, so maybe small square slices. How about just like this? Here we go. Now, a drum roll, please. I'm so proud of my little creation here. The limoncello mascarpone cake. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the limoncello mascarpone cake. When you eat a slice of cake, do you eat the bare cake side first or the icing side first? I think we're going to go for this side so we can get just a little taste of everything. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. A whole dimension of additional yumminess in that mascarpone cream. It's like having, Snoop Dogg would say, the gangsta Holy Ghost has blessed this cake. This is a treat. The way it's come out for me is just a little bit on the dense side, which I prefer for a cake. I didn't really want a cake that was just fluffy and falling apart. And some people prefer that. This one has some substance to it, and it's absolutely delicious. The lemon flavor comes through and through. So do please give me a thumbs up like button on this video because it helps us to produce more yummy videos for you. subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.